Now the second question, I'm telling you, the second question is find the square root of the following correct to 2 decimal places. You have to take out the square root to the up to 2 decimal places. Okay, now I'll tell you. First is A part is your 2. Okay, so first of all, see that, write down in this way. Okay, 2 means 2.0. Okay, if decimal is not there, you have to place a decimal by on. Okay, 2 means 2.0. Okay, now you have to take out the decimal up to 2 decimal place. Okay, now first of all, you have to place, you can place, you don't know how many zeros you have to place. Okay, initially you don't know that how many zeros you have to place. Okay, so we will go side by side. Okay, first of all, we will see that first is the single digit. Okay, so it will go on 1. 1 ones are 1. Clear? Now 1 is there. Now put a decimal by on and take out the next 2 digits together. Okay, when you will take out next 2 digits together, okay, you have to place a decimal here. Okay, the answer will be 9. Here answer will be, you have to see that 1 plus 1 2, you have to multiply with 4. So 24 4s are 96. Subtract it. Okay, up to here your decimal answer is coming up to 1 decimal place. You have to go up to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place. Okay, so first of all, you have placed these 2 zeros. Now you have to place these 2 zeros. Okay, because you have to take out answer up to 2 decimal place. This is 2 decimal place. Okay, this is known as answer up to 1.7. This is known as answer up to 1 decimal place. Okay, this is known as answer up to 2 decimal place. This is known as answer up to 3 decimal place. This is known as answer up to 4 decimal place. Okay, after decimal, how many digits are there? That means up to that decimal place. So in this question, you have taken answer up to 2 decimal place. Means after decimal, 2 digits should be there. Okay, now we'll continue with the question. So now again you have to place 2 digits, 2 zeros. Now take out these 2 zeros. 100 minus 96 4, and these 2 zeros are, these 2 zeros will you have to place here. So 24 plus 4 is 28. So multiply with 1, answer will be 281. Okay, in this question, in the second question, your remainder will not, can be 0 or cannot be 0. Okay, so now, but you have to write your answer. Answer is 1.41. 1.41 is your answer. Okay, now this next B part question is 5. Okay, so we'll do in this way. Okay, first of all, just you can 5 means 5.0, 5.0000, whatever zeros you can write. Okay, but how many zeros you can place after decimal? Okay, that means it is only 5. Answer is only 5. Okay, now see that. First of all, it will go in which table? 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer will be 1. Now take out these 2 digits together. When we'll take out these 2 digits together, you have to place decimal. 2 plus 2 4 and multiply with 2. Answer will be 42. 2s are 84. Okay, up to here your answer is coming up to 1 decimal place. Okay, after placing these 2 zeros, answer is coming up to 1 decimal place. Now you have to write down 2 more zeros so that your answer will come up to 2 decimal place. Now place 2 more zeros. Now take out these 2 zeros. 42 plus 2, 44. Multiply with 3. Answer will be 1329. Remainder is 271. But your answer is 2.23. Your answer is coming up to 2 decimal place. Okay. Now I am doing your part number C. Okay. Part number C is 0.016. 0.016. Okay. Now see that. First of all, you have to make pairs. Okay, you can place one more zero here. Okay, so that this is one pair, this is two pair, this is single. So 0 0 is a 0. Okay, now take out the next two digits. 0 1 means 1. Okay, and you have to place decimal here. Okay, now 1 1 is a 1. Okay, now take out the next two digits. It is 60. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2, you have to multiply with 2. 22 2s are 44 and remainder is 16, and your answer is 0.12. Answer is coming up to 2 decimal place. Okay, you cannot give the answer is 0.1. This is wrong. This is up to 1 decimal place. Your answer should be 0.12. This is known as answer up to 2 decimal place. Got it? Okay. Now 3 parts I have done. I am doing one more part. Okay, and only one part will be left. That is your homework. Okay. Now suppose I am doing now last part is 1.083. Okay. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 3. So you have to place one more digit by on. Okay, now right here 1.0830. So start making pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair, this is single. So 1 1 is a 1. Okay, now take out two digits together. If you will take out two digits together, answer is 8. 8 is coming only 8 is coming. Okay, so now it is 1 plus 1 2. Okay, here 8 is coming, and you take out 2 more digits so that it will go on the table. Okay, right now it is not going. Okay, so you have to take out next two digits together. Now you will take out next two digits, so answer will be 830. So you have to place a decimal here first of all, and then place 0 here and here. Okay, because you have taken out two pairs together, so place a 0 here. Okay, now 1 plus 1 2, and this 0 0. Now you will multiply with 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so you have to multiply with 4. 2 0 4 4s are 816. So remainder is 14, but your answer is 1.04. Okay, so your answer is coming up to 2 decimal place. Clear? This is your question. This is the last question, okay, of this exercise. Now your exercise is complete. Okay, so we have done A, B, C, D, E and F. 2 parts I gave for the homework. In this I have done A, B, C and E. D part is the homework. Clear? So please do your question properly, first of all in the practice notebook, and then go for the fair work. Okay, bye bye, take care.